Alin?
Ayun.
Oh. Airplane. Ayun si ate.
Ate. No, don't touch.
Oo.
Lalo, come on. Let go. Let go with you. Like that. Yucky.
Doon, wag dyan sa basa. Dito. Yan, dito lang tayo. Ayun, panoorin nyo lang yung duck. Ayun, oh.
Daddy, I saw your duck. Daddy, there's a duck. Daddy, there's like a duck.
No, walang duck dyan.
Daddy, tingnan mo.
Asan? Oh, fly yung duck.
Tingnan mo.
Oh.
Tingnan mo.
Ay, wag madumi. No. Oh.
Tatay, tingnan mo. Tatay, baby bola. Ang daddy bola.
Hindi ang bola, anak.
Good
Nag-sleep na, gabi na.
night, baby bird. Good night, sister bird. Tatay, tingnan mo. Ito.
Madumi.
Daddy, parrot, please.
Ha?
Parrot.
Ano yun?
Oh, look.
Oh, ano yan?
There are leaves.
Nasaan?
I don't see leaves.
Oo. Daming leaves. Oo.
Ayun pa. Tatay,
Coconut yan. Coconut.
this is yummy.
What is that?
It's a yummy sweet brown coconut.
Good.
Kaya ako.
Oo, bigat yan.
Let me help you. Toto mo.
Oo.
Wow. It's so many yummy coconut. Coconut. Tingnan mo. Oh, hello. Hello. Are you here? Tingnan mo po.
Sige. Opo. Baka madapa ka dyan.
Laban lalo help me, Daddy. Tatay, tingnan mo dun.
Ano ba doon? Wala naman doon. Ano ba yan?
Oh, touch.
Ha?
Ay, water dyan.
Oo, wag yan. Madumi yan. Baho yan, baho.
Magbilan. Doon.
Matusok ka.
Ow! Oh, what's that? Oh. Coconut. It's so many yummy coconut. It's so sweet. Wag dyan. It's so
Dulas dyan, dulas.
It's so sweet. It's so
Madulas ate.
sweet.
Halika na, uwi na tayo.
No.
Pasok na tayo. Silim na mundo.
Ano yan?
Pagkain ng duck. Tsaka ng chicken. Ano ba yan?
Come on, dog. Enjoy your meal.
Ano yan ate?
Come on, dog. Enjoy your meal.
Amira, halika na. Dito na.
Bye-bye.
Babay na. Magugas ng paa. Ate, dito. Angela, Amira.